Hi, this is Philip Jacob. Today we are going to see the review on the all-new BMW X7. The variant we are reviewing today is the BMW X7 40i M Sport. So as you can see, as an M Sport variant, it has the M kit and the M alloys on the exterior. You have the laser light with the adaptive LED beams and the active as-seen kidney grills, which are huge and gives a good presence for the car. You have the LED fog lamps. The car gives a great presence, especially with this M Sport. Both the DP or the signature of the diesel or the petrol variants get 21-inch alloy wheels, and the M Sport gets the sportier 5-spoke. For people with shorter stature, it has a footboard through which you can step on it and get inside the car. Taking a look at the rear, it has split tailgates, and you have the X7 40i badging, and as per the M kit, you have the dual exhaust tailpipes with a trapezoidal shape. Such a majestic looking car. The X7 40i is a fully spec'd car, so it has all the bells and whistles, like the 360-degree camera, the heated and cool cup holders, which I'll be explaining in a while. And this would be a proper 6-seater. So being in the driver's seat, the first thing you'll notice on the doors are the aluminum finished knobs and buttons. And you can see that you have extra buttons here. So you have memory seats as standard, and you have the seat with number 2 written on it, which means that once I press this and control my driver's seat, I'll be able to move the co-passenger seat. And same way, I can also adjust the rear benches. So for example, the second row, if I click rear, you'll be able to see that they move back and forth. And that is of this button. Rest is normal. You have the boot opening button out here itself. They've removed the knob system, so now it's completely buttons. You have the paddle shifters, the left hand side for the cruise control and speed limiter, and the right hand side for the complete media setup. So the car comes with a complete touchscreen system, which is as usual with all the BMWs, and this button, which is different compared to the other BMWs, is that it has active cruise control. So that is what this button is specified for. And then you have the AC, you have the speed dials, and over here this is a place where you can keep your mobile phones or the display key for a wireless charging. These cup holders can be heated or cooled, and you'll be able to see if it is cooling. You have the blue light glowing, and if it is for heating, you have the red light glowing, and that maintains the temperature inside. And you have the crystal knob, which is again one of the best things. You have the air suspension system, which can raise and lower. You have the hill descent control, you have the auto hold, you have all the driving modes available. The car also comes with the reversing assistant and the parking assistant, so reversing this huge car or parking this car is as easy as possible. So right now I am in the second row seat, and this would be the place where usually the customers are going to sit if they are being chauffeur driven. And the seats are very comfortable, and you also get this cushion which you get in the 7 Series, which makes it even more comfortable. And you have individual controls onto your right or to your left on the other seat, and it has the same controls of the driver or the co-passenger seat. While checking the rear door, you have the ambient lights running along with the aluminum finishing around it, and you have, just without the window buttons, you also can control the sunroof and the sun blinders of the windows. So everything is electric, so I can open or close it, and at the same time I can open the sunroof also. I can even open the rear one. It has a split one at the back. And while we at the sunroof, these spots, it has a sky lounge, so they illuminate along with the ambient lightings inside the car. You can open and close it again using these buttons itself. So this time you get a touchscreen system, so you can have your media and your car settings, everything possible at the back itself. You have a separate AC unit, which is again dual zone for the second row, and you have a space for your multimedia, wherein you have C-port chargers and HDMI input, and also a Blu-ray reading disc, and a lot of C-port chargers, so you can even charge your laptops. You have AC vents on the B-pillar also. Now let's go to the third row seat. Accessing the third row seat is really very easy. So all you need to do is pull this knob and push it back, and then the car does its magic. It takes a bit of while, but it does the job for you. It moves forward and the seats even push up. So now I have the space to get inside. So once I'm back, I just pull the seats back and it comes back automatically. So I have ample amount of legroom, and I have a separate AC control here. So as I told you in the beginning, it's a 5-zone AC. I have the automatic controls over here, and I have the vents coming up from the sides, so which makes it even more effective. And I have individual cup holders too. The roof lining is anthracite. This comes especially for the M Sport kit alone. It's a wonderful place to be. Now checking the rear space, there are active tailgates. I have two buttons here, one which lowers the car suspension so that access of the boot and carrying and unloading is much more easier, and this is to open the front tailgate. This can hold up to 150 kilograms of weight, so two grown-ups can sit and enjoy a drink. You have these buttons here, so these individually can fold the seats. So this is for the second row left and the second row right, and the third row left and third row right. So let's say you completely want a lot of space. All I need to do is just press on max. So I'm just going to show it for you. Yes, it takes some time. And again, to get them back, it's again active. All I need to do is press maximum passengers. The only thing I need to do manually is to pull back the headrest. With soft close doors, just like how you have in the 7 Series. So if I just leave it, it locks by itself. It also has the comfort access system, so entry and exit is easier without using the key. that's the interior and exterior review on the all-new BMW X7. For any more concerns, please do get in touch with Navneet Motors BMW Bangalore.